Hey everybody, it's Amy. When I was starting my handmade business, I did not have anyone to help me out. I did it all myself. That's the kind of person I am, and that's fine. I have learned over the years to ask for help when I need it, and now I want to be that person to help others. So I've got a free webinar coming up. It's going to show you the steps you need to take for getting your handmade business started, okay? It's gonna be simple and clear. I'm gonna have worksheets. I've got a fantastic resource handout where you can just, click a link and go exactly where you need to go to get the paperwork done that you need to do to get your handmade business started. So I want to help you all out here during my walk in the park and use my time wisely. I'm like that, I've learned over the 15 years of doing this business that I need to use every minute I have. So it's going to be happening next week in mid-June, and I want you to click the link so that you can get your email on my list and you'll be invited and given all the details. It is absolutely free. I'm going to be telling you the steps to take and my favorite tool I use when running my handmade business. I'm going to get you started, give you the kick in the pants you need to get moving with this, because you can totally do this. If I can do this, you can totally do this. I've been doing this for so many years. Oh my gosh. You can too. So click the link below, sign up for my webinar, and this is your year to get started with your handmade business. You can do this. I'm going to help you. I'm going to take you by the hand and show you step by step. Click the link below. Okay, bye.